Hello students, I am Dr. Lalita Yadav from Hari Science and Maths Academy. Today's topic is subtraction of rational numbers. For the subtraction of rational numbers, two rational numbers are must. One, let that rational numbers are a by b and c by d. These are two rational numbers, and if question is given that subtract a by b from c by d, then find out the additive inverse of a by b. Find out the additive inverse of a by b. The additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b, and the equation becomes c by d plus minus of a by b. In this way we can write, or directly c by d minus a by b we can write. This is the subtraction of rational numbers. So the properties, there are some properties of rational numbers in addition. The first one is the closure property. Closure property says that if two rational numbers are added, in case of addition, if two rational numbers are added, then the result is rational numbers. Similarly, in this case, if two rational numbers are subtracted, this is the first property, that is the closure property. Closure property says that if one rational number is subtracted from the another rational number, then it will be the result will be the rational number. ठीक है, तो c by d minus a by b is equal to rational number. This is the closure property. Subtraction of rational number satisfy the closure property, right? Second property in addition, we studied about the commutative property. What is commutative property? Says that if two rational numbers are subtracted, like c by d minus a by b is equal to, when the numbers are interchanged, a by b minus c by d. That is not always possible in case of subtraction, so the answer may or may not be equal. Generally it is not equal, so subtraction of rational number does not satisfy the property commutative property, may or may not satisfy depending upon the rational numbers. And the third property is associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? Let there are three rational numbers a by b minus c by d minus e by f. Right? First is subtract this and minus e by f. That should be equal, should or should not be equal if we interchange the bracket, right? Like this. This is not equal, ये भी इक्वल नहीं होता. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर जो है वो ये प्रॉपर्टी को भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता, while एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर सेटिस्फाई, addition of rational numbers satisfy the closure property, commutative property and associative property also. And the next property is existence of right identity. Existence of right identity. In addition case, this identity is said to be additive identity. Additive identity. What does this mean? In case of subtraction, if 0 is subtracted from a rational number, then the result is the same rational number. This is satisfied in case of subtraction also and in case of addition also. Let we solve the example, a simplify equation based on this rule, and consider one expression, not a simple, just a simple question, as the subtraction is as simple as like addition, which in detail we already discussed in the previous class. Now the expression is just take a simple example first. Subtract 5 subtract 5 by 9 from minus 5 by 8. Right? Solve it. Minus 5 by 8. Additive inverse of 5 by 9 is minus 5 by 9. In this case, it becomes minus 5 by 9. LCM of 8 and 9 is 36. 36. 8 4 is 9, not 36. 8 and 9 LCM is 72. This is 45 multiplied by 9, and this is multiplied by 8 minus 40. Answer comes out to be minus 85 by 72. This is the answer. If I say that subtract, another question, subtract minus 5 by 9 from 5 by 8. In that particular case, this becomes question like this, and the answer is 5 by 72. Okay. Let me take another example of expression. How the expression is solved. Solve the based on the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2. As the new denominator of the numbers are different, there are three numbers in the denominator. 2 are repeating, 4 3 and 4 3 6 3 and 2. ठीक है, तो एलसीएम हमें जब फाइंड आउट करना है वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म रिपीट हो रही है दैट इज नॉट रिटन. 4 3 6, नेक्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर इज 3, next is 2, right? Divided by 2, 2 3, it is not divisible, it is 3 and it becomes 1. Now the next, divided again by 2, 1 3 3 1. Now divided by 3, 1 1 1 and 1. LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That comes out to be 12. Right? Here I am going to solve this. Minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 12. Let me put equal to sign on the left hand side. LCM is 12. In the table of 4, 12 comes at 3, multiply it by 3. In the table of 3, 12 comes at 4, multiply by this number 1 numerator by 4. In 6 table, 12 comes at 2, multiply numerator by 2, multiply it by 4 and multiply it by 6. Right? 4 की टेबल में 12 3 पर आता है, इसलिए न्यूमरेटर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 3 की टेबल में 12 जो है वो 4 पर आता है, इसलिए न्यूमरेटर को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 6 की टेबल में 12 जो है वो 2 पर आता है, इसलिए न्यूमरेटर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. एंड 2 की टेबल में 12 जो है वो 6 पर आता है, इसलिए न्यूमरेटर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आंसर इज -7 3 21 प्लस 5 4 20 minus 5 2 10 plus 4 minus 6. Minus 21 plus 20, minus 1 is left, right? Minus 1 and minus 10 is minus 11. Minus 11. Here 4 minus 2 6 is minus 2. This is 12. So answer comes out to be minus 13 by 12. This is how we simplify the expression based on the addition and subtraction of a rational numbers. Solve the questions as many as possible given in your book. If you are not able to find such type of question, please let me know and comment in the comment box so that I can provide you the questions. If you find any difficulty in solving the questions, please let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for the video notification. Thank you for today.